Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with some of the important opportunity from various companies like Lenskart, IBM, and other important hiring. So if you are the freshers looking for some important job opportunity and internship, then this video is important for you. So first important opportunity from Lenskart, they are hiring for the role of DevOps engineer 1, 2, and 3. Means level 1, level 2, level 3, and job location will be Gurgaon and Bengaluru. So if you have knowledge in cloud and have done some internship, then this will basically give you chances. So the requirement is you should be having knowledge of computer network and all those stuff. Moving to next, this is just reminder. So if you haven't applied for the IBM ASC hiring, and if you are 2024 and 2025 pass out, must apply for that. Students are also getting reward, and the requirement is you should be having the knowledge of SDLC and Java, C++, and Python. So if you are from the BTech background and have a 60% mark, then you can apply for that. Moving to next important opportunity, that is from the Physics Wallah. They are hiring the PPT designer and SME. So if you are interested in UI/UX design or have a want to work in non-technical profile, then you can apply for this. So these will your roles and responsibility. You will basically maintain consistency in design, structure, and pedagogy, create asset creations and banners and all those stuff. Okay, so if you are interested, you can apply for this. And next important opportunity, that is from the White Bridge. They are hiring for the role of software development engineer 2026 fresher, and this is a wonderful opportunity, especially 2026 batch pass out. Okay, so specialization in computer science, IT, EC, triple E, and with computer science stream, and second, third, and fourth year are eligible. But 2026 batch are eligible for this. Okay, the requirement is Angular, React.js, Vue.js. Means if you have done some internship and have a knowledge in either these all tech stacks, any tech stack, then you can apply for that. And if you have some internship experience earlier, then there will be basically increased chances. So must apply for this wonderful opportunity. Next important opportunity, that is from the government PSU, that is the NTPC. So they are hiring the means total vacancy is 250 and tenure is 3 year and upper age limit is 35 years. So start date for application is 23rd April and last date to apply 7th May. So if you are from BTech in mechanical or electrical engineering with minimum 40% mark, then you can apply. So share the video among your friends who are from electrical or mechanical background. This is a wonderful PSU job, so you should apply for that. Next important opportunity for the role of manual tester. So the company name is Galentic Technology Private Limited. So if you want to engage in testing and have a knowledge in Java, Selenium, or other internship, then there will be a strong chance of getting selection. So these are limited hiring, so apply as soon as possible because anytime link can be expired. Next important opportunity, which I have already provided earlier too, that is from the TCS Software Solution, and they are hiring for the role of software developer, and the package will get around 3 to 4 lakh depending on that. So there is a particular selection process. First is offline assessment test, so you should be available for offline assessment at their office, then resume evaluation, and there will be 3 rounds of technical interview. First will be group discussion, second will be face to face, and again third will be technical, and last will be HR round. So if you are interested, you can apply from, means if you are the 2025 2026 pass out and from BTech, ME, MTech, or MCA background, then you can apply for this. And there is a bond of 2.6 years, so you should be I agree with this term, otherwise you will have to give penalty of 1.5 lakhs. Moving to last important opportunity. So they have some hiring for the role of software engineer intern freshers. So if you are looking, just DM them and connect with them. Okay, so this is some important hiring. Friends, recently TCS have announced the result and many of the students are getting the interview call. So if you have been selected for interview and want to schedule your mock interview with us, then you can fill the form. We will provide you complete guidance and which will help you to crack this interview. कोई भी query है, feel free to ask here. We can ask your query at Insta or we can connect on LinkedIn. मिलते हैं next video में. Thank you.